In our previous video we discussed about Scrum ceremonies, so different ceremonies in Scrum. So in this video we'll discuss about Scrum roles. So there are different roles in Scrum, we'll be discussing about that. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Let's dive into the video. So there are different roles in Scrum. There are three different roles in Scrum. One is a product owner, second one is a Scrum master, and third one is a development team. So in this video we'll discuss different roles, what are their responsibilities. So product owner, if we take first, so product owner will have different responsibilities. So he will be doing the backlog task prioritization, and also he will be setting the product vision to the team, and he will be communicating with the stakeholders, and also he will be doing the evaluating team progress. So Scrum master, if you take Scrum master will be doing a leading sprint planning meeting. So he will be leading the retrospective meeting also, and also he will be facilitating daily Scrum, and also he will be doing the manage obstacles for the team. So last thing will be development team. So this development team will be helping in the sprint planning and the goal setting of a sprint, and also in development team will be involved in design, development, and testing and delivering. This team will be involved in the practicing best practices for development. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.